In this video, I'm going to show you how to see your App Store purchase history on your iPhone and also how to hide some apps from that list. That is quite simple and easy, so let's begin. First, open up your App Store, and once you are in App Store, tap here on your profile icon and there select Purchases. Here is the list of all your purchases on the App Store in chronological order. There you can see the name of the app, icon of the map, and here just below the name you see the uploaded and installed date, so you can check through all the days until to the earliest days when the specific app was installed. So here you can see all the applications that was ever installed on your iPhone, and also here you can delete any app from that list or from that list if you want. Just make a short swipe to the left and hide option is appeared. I tap on hide and now that application was hide from that list. That's how it works. I hope it helps you. So before you go, please like and subscribe.